Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have a hot chicken ciabatta. First thing you want to do is we want to get some chicken meat that I got from the deli on our ciabattas, about 3 slices for this side. And then you want to add a few pepperonis to the other side. By the way, you should be preheating your oven to about 400 degrees at this point. And then we want to add some bacon, because bacon makes everything better. And then to each side, 1 slice of white American cheese. And then you want to pop this into the oven for about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on the oven. You just want to go until the cheese is nice and melted and everything's wonderful. All right, as you can see here, we've gotten our sandwich out of the oven. It's time to add all the other fixings. First thing we have here is some nice shreddis. After we added our shreddis, time to add some buffalo mayo, which is really simple. It's just 1 cup of mayonnaise and a 1/4 cup of buffalo sauce. If you want it hotter, switch up the hot sauce, but it's 1 cup of mayo to 1/4 cup, whatever hot sauce you want. And that's kind of it. Well, we can't forget about the onions, after all. Then just pop the top on. And that's that. A hot chicken ciabatta. Done.